Welcome friends. In the last video, we have seen search product API. In this video, we will add pagination to our application. So for that, I'm starting this with my interfaces. So first we need to define method in interfaces. Based on that, we can provide implementation in our service classes. So let's get started with this. First, I will define one method here, which is page. Page is a interface in Spring framework, which will provide us some methods. So we will understand this page method, which method it contains. First, I will define this page product and find all by methods. Sorry, it's a page product, which will be get product method we will create get product. Then I will pass parameter to this int. First will be page and next will be size. So this will define us how many page we want on the first page and how many size should be there in our application. So now we have created this. So we need to provide implementation for this. So let's go inside our service IMPL class. So here if you see, we are getting error. With that we need to provide implementation for that method. So just click on this implements method. So I will click on that. So we will write this method. So here if you see, we need to use pageable. Pageable is a interface in Java, sorry, Spring framework. Sorry, not pageable, pageable. If you see here, it will list out pageable. Let's recheck again, pageable. So this interface we need to write. So what is the use of this interface? So if you see, pageable Spring Data provides abstraction for pagination purpose. So that purpose we use this pageable, and it contains several methods like get page number, get page size, get offset, get sort. This method this pageable interface provides. So get page number will return the current page number 0 based on the index. Then get page size will return the number of item per page, and offset will offset to be taken according to underlying page and page size. And get sort return the sorting parameters. For that we are using this pageable. And then after that we need to get page request dot off. We need to pass page number and page size to this. So page number I will pass as a page, and size will be our size. So once we have written this, that we need to return our product repository dot. If you see product repository I have created above, that will find all method is there. That will we need to pass pageable to this method, our object to the reference to the find all. Once we have written this, we need to create one method in our repository, which will give us pageable find all page based on the parameter we pass. So let's create here one method which will be page of type product, and this product will find all by pageable. We need to pass pageable to this method. So it will return us product in the page. So what is this page? So page we will understand. Page is a interface in Spring Data that represents a list of object. It provides way to encapsulate result of paginated query. and it contains some methods like get content, get number, get size, get total elements. So this method it internally uses these interfaces as next, as previous, is first, is last. For that we are using this page. If you go inside, you will find this method as well. Empty, get total pages, get total elements, maps. So list of this method it will contains. Then once we have defined this, we need to provide add controller. So for that we need to add request get mapping. Get mapping will take a parameter as a product. So I will use here product. Once that I will create method public page, and this page will take a param as a product, and we will get product. Method will create get product, and we will pass some value to this. For that I am using here @request param, and inside that I will pass value as a page, value equal to page. Then next default value we will use default value equal to, it will be 0, and we will pass this to the int page. Then next @request param I will use value equal to size, then default value equal to I will pass as a 10. So 0 to 10 I will take from the database, and then int size. And I will close this param. Once I have closed this, we need to return pages to the this method. So for that I am using product service. So if you see product service I have created above. Why it is not taking? So okay, we need to close this here. I have closed this, right? No. Int size page. Okay, we need to open here or brackets, because we need to return that method, return product service dot get products, and I will pass this as a page and size. Let's close this. Now we will close this. Let's run our application. We will see if we will get any errors. It started on 8080. Let's hit our endpoint from here. Here I have created one endpoint which is taking products, and page is 0 and size is 10. Let's hit this. If we will see if we will get the expected output, as it should show first on first page 10 result. So if you see inside my database only 6 record is there. So it is showing first 6 record on the total pages is 1. First page means how many pages is there? 1 pages is there. If I add some more records, then it will show how many pages are loaded. So like this we can implement in pagination in our application. Here if you see only 6 record is present, with 6 record it returns from the database. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you gain some knowledge from these videos. If you like the content, please share and like the videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys.